2013 का दूसरा, अब ये पिछले सरकार का PYQ है। आपने थोड़ा डिफरेंस भी देखा होगा, अभी तक आते आते थोड़ा स्टैंडर्डाइज हो गया है और थोड़ा एक पैटर्न आकर दिखने लगा है अभी पिछले कुछ सालों में कि इसी तरह के स्पॉटिंग एरर्स आ रहे हैं। पहले थोड़ा हेवायर था, थोड़ा अलग, क्योंकि अगेन आई थिंक it must have taken a few years to get into the groove and to figure out what kind of people we need in the military now, and how important is English, till what level is English important, because we are not serving English masters anymore. मतलब कारण इंग्लिश का हमारे यहाँ इतना इम्पोर्टेंट होने का ये है, अब बताइए ऑफिसर सिलेक्ट भी उनकी इंग्लिश बोल पाने की क्षमता पर होते हैं, क्योंकि हिंदी में नहीं होता SSB। पर ये इसलिए था क्योंकि हमारे मालिक कुछ 400 साल तक अंग्रेजी बोलने वाले थे, पर अब नहीं है वो। अब जो हमारे सरकार के जो सेवक हैं वो हमारे राजा नहीं हैं, वो सेवक हैं। तो मुझे लगता है कि उस माइंडसेट में हमें भी आ जाना चाहिए कि हम सरकारी काम करने वालों को हम राजा ना माने बल्कि सेवक माने समाज का, कि वो एक समय के थे वो राजा और उन्हीं का सिस्टम कंटिन्यू हो रहा है, वो अभी भी राजा ही समझ रहे हैं अपने आप को। तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए मुझे लगता है। बट एनीवे, सपोज इफ यू, अब सपोज और इफ साथ में नहीं आता है, सपोज यू वर लेफ्ट अलोन और इफ यू वर लेफ्ट लिव अलोन, व्हाट वुड यू डू? सो सपोज और इफ दोनों साथ में नहीं आएगा, सो ए इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन है। ही वंडर्ड दैट व्हाट, दैट और व्हाट भी साथ में नहीं आता है। दैट के बाद जो रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन है मान लो, या कंजंक्शन अगर बना रहे हैं हम इसको ज्वाइन करने के लिए द रेस्ट ऑफ द क्लॉज विद दिस, दैट के बाद वी विल नॉट हैव अनदर WH वर्ड। सो ही वंडर्ड दैट, और दैट नहीं लगेगा, दैट लगेगा तो थोड़ा चेंज हो जाएगा, ये चेंज करना पड़ेगा, दैट नहीं लगेगा, व्हाट आएगा यहाँ पे सिर्फ। ही वंडर्ड व्हाट, दैट होगा, ही वंडर्ड दैट would be the next, he wondered that what would his opponents do, what would it, that आएगा ही नहीं। He wondered what would be the next move of his opponents who had vowed to see him dislodged from power. So बाकी of the sentence सही है, उसमें कुछ गलती नहीं है, उसके हिसाब से यहाँ what is the correct thing, that and what, both of them will not show up. Alright, the nation should be grateful, grateful की spelling गलत है, देखो यहाँ पे spelling आया है, ये grateful नहीं होता है, grateful GRAT होता है, great वो वाला grateful होता है ये। So this is not that grateful, great ये वाला great नहीं, great महान, grateful वो वाला great की आभारी। I do not know what is he doing to solve the problem. I do not know what he is doing to solve the problem. So we have the interrogative structure here without having a question, या interrogative structure नहीं होना चाहिए। जो auxiliary verb है वो subject के पहले नहीं आना चाहिए, subject पहले आना चाहिए। I do not know what he is doing to solve the problem. I do not know what he is doing to solve the problem. For so many years, it is almost his habit to go to bed at 10 p.m. daily. For so many years, it has been his habits. Let's see. For so many years, it is almost his habit to go to the bed. To go to the bed नहीं होगा. So that is the problem here. To go to bed, the bed तब होगा जब, ये हमने देखा था आर्टिकल्स में, कब लगेगा कब नहीं लगेगा। अगर बेड को हम बोल रहे हैं उसके उपयोग के लिए ही कह रहे हैं, वो यही बोलना चाह रहे हैं कि go to bed मतलब सोने जा रहे हैं। Go to the bed नहीं लगता है वहाँ पे। Go to bed, the bed तब लगेगा, go to the bed मतलब वो बेड तक जा रहा है पर सोने नहीं जा रहा है, कुछ और करने जा रहा है। He went to the bed to check whatever. So he went to bed मतलब सोने गया, he went to the bed मतलब वहां तक गया कुछ करने के लिए, सोने नहीं। So the, but for so many years it is almost his habit. I will not question again, ये तो गलत है ही है। This also is very questionable because for so many years if you're using for and since you have to use the present continuous, perfect continuous. But again 2013 का क्वेश्चन पेपर है, कौन क्या पूछे, किससे पूछे, क्या करे, अभी तो आगे बढ़ेंगे हम। He took down after his father, he took after his father, he took down after his father नहीं होता, he took after his father होता है। took after his father मतलब अपने पिता जैसा है, वो पिता के ऊपर गया है, पिता पर गया है कहते हैं ना हिंदी में, तो took after उसको कहते हैं took after, he takes after his father और he took after his father। to take after मतलब किसी पर जाना। his honesty has never been called to question, never been questioned, never been called to question नहीं, his honesty has never been questioned, his honesty has never been called to question, questioned upon, has never been questioned, called in question। I think we can use another preposition there as well. His honesty has never been called in question. Question is the best. I see her most weekends but not very often, in between, but not very often in between. In between that, right? I see her most weekends, but not very often in between. मतलब बीच में उतना ज़्यादा नहीं. Most weekends, but weekends के बीच में not often. The Chancellor was present on both occasions. The Chancellor was present at both occasions. Occasions है, it's an event at both occasions. On both the occasions. Chancellor was present on both the occasions. I think the article is missing here. On would be correct at, because at an occasion for an event, or occasion if it's just something that happened, then on would be correct for that. But the occasions, the article is missing. The Chancellor was present on both the occasions. The deliberations by the committee are completely confidential. The deliberation by the committee is completely deliberations of the committee. The deliberations of the committee are completely confidential. Deliberations of someone, not by someone. Alright. We're moving ahead. A wise man puts past rancor behind and moves ahead. Rancor, we have to do synonyms. A wise man puts past rancor behind and moves ahead. So rancor is hatred. That is what rancor is. Many of the villagers were isolated not tanha, by heavy showers of rain, separated from others. That is the best. 12th B. 13th. A series of columns supporting a large porch is typical of medieval architecture. Columns, pillars. The statues, arches and murals are not that. Murals are something paints on the wall like graffiti. Arches are वो घूमे हुए ऐसे bow type structures, and statues are मूर्तियां. Columns would be pillars. Is the best option here. C. Trees that block the view of oncoming traffic should be cut down. Block मतलब obstruct. So 14th का B. Pretty easy these. The landscape changed abruptly out of snowball. Abruptly means suddenly, एकदम से. So 15th A, suddenly. You got 16th. We saw scintillating fireworks display. Scintillating is very fascinating. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा उत्तेजित करने वाले और बहुत आश्चर्यचकित करने वाले. But sparkling it says. Alright, scintillating. So fascinating seems to be the best option to me. I would say scintillating should be fascinating. But we can have our, we can give benefit of the doubt again because we don't have the answer sheets from UPSC anyhow. Scintillating, the scintillating work, scintillating. The pact has been in effect for 20 years. Pact मतलब treaty हो गया. तो दोनों के बीच में sign हुई है. Treaty, 17A. He had a reputation of being a prudent businessman. Prudent is very careful. सोच समझ के काम करने वाला. Prudent. So careful. C. There was a signpost where the two paths converge. Converge मतलब मिलना. तो separate, intersect, diverge दोनों तीनों opposite हो जाएंगे उसके. Intersect हो जाएगा पर intersect मिलना नहीं होता. Intersect सिर्फ मिलके और अलग हो जाना होता है फिर से. तो merge is the best option here. 19C merge. The violence erupted because of the zealots. Zealot मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा fanatic. हाँ, fan जो होता है. D. Zealot is someone कट्टर जैसे पागलपंती जिसके अंदर कट्टरपंथी का पागलपन होता है. That is what a zealot is. So fanatic जिसका short form fan होता है. जैसे आप fan है अगर शाहरुख खान के तो आपसे बड़ा बेवकूफ कोई नहीं है इस दुनिया में मुझे लगता है. Sorry, apologies. हो सकता है कि कोई हो सकता है वो शाहरुख खान और सलमान खान का fan हो. आपसे बड़ा ही होगा फिर वो. Anywho, we got antonyms then. 21st. Antonyms you got is candid remarks, impress the authorities. Candid का मतलब ये होता है कि unprepared. तो candid मतलब blunt हो जाएगा, sincere. तो guarded will be the best opposite here. ये बड़ी सोच समझ के किए जाने वाला काम. 21st B will be the best option. 22. The guilty appealed to the jury to condone his punishment. So you condone a punishment मतलब say yes to say कि it is a good thing, अच्छी बात है, अच्छा हुआ. Opposite हो जाएगा condemn. Condemn his punishment मतलब कहना कि वो punishment सही नहीं है. The guilty appealed to the jury to condone his punishment. His family served ties with him, severed, not served, severed. Severed मतलब अलग करना, काटना. Detached would be the synonym, but antonym चाहिए तो joined. 23rd, a joined. 24th, it is easy to understand his fuzzy thoughts. Fuzzy is vague, misty. Opposite will be clear. The exact opposite is clear, so 24C. And last for today, he drove his car through slimy road to reach your office. Slimy मतलब dirty, very ugly, slippery. Clean will be the opposite of it. 25th B. So we were doing antonyms. Yes, antonyms. We are anxious to avoid. Achha, I want to make one correction from yesterday. I was very enthusiastic and confident about scintillating being fascinating. But sparkling is the correct option here. Scintillating is sparkling. Please make that correction in your vocabulary and lexicon as well. And peg it down to human error. We are anxious to avoid any problems with regard to this. Alright. Anxious, what is the anxious मतलब बेचैन होना. Anxious का opposite हो जाएगा composed. Composed मतलब स्थायी, स्थिर, समता में होना. जैसे प्रभुराम हमेशा रहते थे. The railway lines are extended and we are quite happy about it. Extended मतलब बढ़ाया गया, elongate किया गया, widen किया गया. Curtailed is the best option here for its opposite, which means रोकना, बंद करना, सीमित करना. There was a fire this morning. They were lucky to escape. Escape, opposite. So the best here is arrest, because escape, elude, evade, conceive. Arrest would be the best. Well, if you escape, the opposite would be arrest. Domestic violence is a very inhuman act. Inhuman मतलब मानवताहीन, मानवहीन, मानवताहीन. तो compassionate हो जाएगा. Compassionate मतलब बड़ा उदार और बहुत सब अच्छा फील करने वाला, काफी दयालु. Compassionate. 29th B is the correct option here. 30th, the eloquent speech helped him back the award. Eloquent means very good. Articulate, vivid, lucid, absolute. Inarticulate will be the absolute opposite here. Inarticulate means something that is not good to listen to, not spoken well. Vivid बड़ा detailed हो गया. Vivid colors, very sharp, detailed. Lucid again very flowing, good flow. Short, concise, brief. Maybe eloquent का opposite तो नहीं होगा यहाँ पे, पर inarticulate is the best option. Alright. Directions, so 10 items follow. Suitable preposition or phrasal verbs in the blank of each item. Alright. So now, preposition of phrasal verbs, you have to fill into it. University in German and then Germany and Denmark will have an input into the project. इसमें एक और on भी हो सकता है. Input on का मतलब feedback होता है. Input into का मतलब होता है उसमें addition. So on है नहीं यहाँ पे. Into is the only option. So into is the correct option here. Alright. He gave me a leg dash when I was completely new to the business. He gave me a leg up. To give a leg up मतलब to help. Gave me a leg up. Idiom भी है. To give a leg up मतलब help. पहले भी क्या हुआ हमने एक बार ये वही चोरों के दुनिया से आया ये. आपको अगर किसी को हेल्प करना होगा दीवार फांदने के लिए तो आपको उनको एक हाथ पर पैर रखकर कुदाना होगा. दैट इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड गिविंग अ लेग अप. तो गिविंग अ लेग अप मतलब हेल्प करना, थोड़ा आगे बढ़ाना, पुश देना, इम्पेटस देना, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. 33rd, you should have nothing to do with those criminals. They all have violent attitudes and long records. They are men of the same kidney. Men of the same kidney इसका मतलब men birds of a feather flock together. वैसा चोर चोर मौसरे भाई एक जैसे ही हैं, सब एक जैसे ही रहेंगे और नहीं बदल सकते. He didn't have the guts to stand for beside his friend when he was in trouble. By his friend, yes. He didn't have the guts to stand by his friend when he was in trouble. So C is the correct option here. Stand by. You stand by someone, I'll stand by you. Stand by you, that means that I will be with you through thick and thin. I will always support you. He broke out of the prison by dressing as a woman. Yes, that is how he did it. He did it by dressing as a woman. Thirty-six. When electricity failed, emergency generators cut in. Cut in means they did the job, they worked, they replaced them in lieu of, instead of them they worked. When electricity failed, emergency generators cut in. We need 2 more hands to cope with the heavy rush of work. Cope up नहीं करते आप. Cope up ज़्यादा लोग समझते हैं cope up होता है. Cope up गलत है. You just cope with something. To cope. You don't cope up, you just cope. I'm unable to cope or cope with the heavy rush of work. 37th. 38th. 25 candidates each other for the first prize. Compete with each other. You're competing with each other, so that's the best option here. 38th B. We must eliminate the disparity between rich and poor. तो between याद होगा आपको दो चीजों के लिए यूज होता है. Disparity मतलब भेदभाव, दो चीजों के बीच में भेद. Disparity between. As an innovator, he deviated from the beaten track and explored new religions. Deviated from means भटकना रास्ते से. As an innovator, he deviated from the beaten track. He deviated from मतलब उससे अलग हुआ. अब deviated from the beaten track यहाँ पे positive के लिए यूज किया गया, तो हिंदी में आप भटकना नहीं बोल सकते उसको, बट इंग्लिश में नेगेटिव के लिए भी आप deviated from कह सकते हो. That the student deviated from his path, his voluntarily chosen path of becoming an officer and started missing classes. Don't do that, students. Don't miss classes. Why are you deviating from your chosen path? But innovator, as an innovator, he deviated from the beaten track. Beaten track means जो सब लोग जो रास्ता चुनते हैं, IIT, NET, JEE, जो भी NEET, WEET, and explored new religions. And he explored new religions. He did not follow the religion of his parents. He started exploring ancient cultures like Sanatan. So that is what you should be exploring. You should be exploring the old world religions. The old world religions which told you pluralism, which taught you pluralism. That means there are various ways of arriving at the truth. Then there are the new world religions that state that there is just one truth and it is written and that is the truth. So that is the limitation of the new world religions. The old world religions, only one of which still remains, teaches us that there are many ways of finding the truth and to each their own, which is secularism, true secularism at its core. Deviated from the beaten track and explored new religions, new to him, ancient religions, religions that were followed by the ancient cultures that did not bring in the dark ages. Alright, now we'll move on to reading the passage and answering the questions that follow. Let's do the questions first. The author's main argument is natural phenomena in India. All right, we're talking about India. Which of the following cities did not have to face hardships due to bad winter? Alright, the expression India on the other hand was blessed by a bounteous nature. Which trait of Indian character has been formed by the monsoon? Alright, let's see now what has been done. It has often been said that the scale of natural phenomena in India and a total dependence on the monsoon have helped to form the character of a people. Even today, major disasters such as flood, famine and plague are hard to check, and in older times the control was almost impossible. Many other ancient civilizations, as those of Greeks, Romans and Chinese, had to contend with hard winters, which encouraged sturdiness and resourcefulness. India, on the other hand, was blessed by a bounteous nature, who demanded little of man in return for sustenance, but in a terrible anger could not be appeased by any human effort. Hence, it has been suggested the Indian character has tended to quietism, accepting fortune and misfortune alike without complaint. Quietism. So, let's see. Character has been formed by the monsoon. Fatalism. The author's main argument is description of natural phenomena of India, unpredictability of Indian monsoon, correlation between the climate and the character of inhabitants of a region, hardships caused by natural calamity. So 41st C seems to be the main thing that he's talking about. How, because in the Western countries like Greece and everything, Greeks, Romans and Chinese, they had hard winters, therefore they became very sturdy and resourceful, whereas because India was blessed with bounteous nature, the people of India became very accepting of their fate. I can see the stark difference between the 2013 and 2014 papers suddenly, right? I mean, why do I feel like the Indian government itself was talking in a negative way about India? Anywho. Which one of the following civilizations did not have to face hardships due to bad winters. So which one of the following civilizations did not have to face hardship due to bad winters? I think India is where it is. So what it is talking about, 42A. 43, the expression India on the other hand was blessed by bounteous nature means that India's people have been rewarded more generally by nature in proportion to their efforts. Indian soil is suited for growing a variety of crops. Maybe it means that India is a land of flora and fauna, yes? So blessed by bounteous nature. Rewarded more generously by nature in proportion to their efforts. You know about that, yeah? Alright, somehow being an Indian, being a Bharati, not even an Indian man, yes, an Indian, being a Bharat Nagrik, I somehow feel offended with this paragraph. And I'm just going to move ahead and not address this anymore. Anyhow, let's move on to the correct sequence of the sentences. Again, remember in this, we have to look at the options Q, Q, P, P, and neither have I cannot start with Q, cannot start with and, P, she. Alright, so she and neither have I cannot be Q, P, S, R, Q seems to be the only option. Let's see. She hasn't finished the assignment yet and neither have I. Yes, 45D. Through elimination, you can figure out that 45D is the correct option. Alright. Now let's see QSPQ. So we have Q as two options. A child, it can start with child, maybe. Can it start with SNP? By the age of 6 months. Maybe, yes, why not? Himself, cannot start with himself. Cannot start with a reflexive without having introduced the subject before. So a child can usually feed himself. QRPS. A child can usually feed himself by the age of 6 months. QRPS makes sense. SRQP, by the age of 6 months can usually feed. No. QPRS, a child himself can usually feed by the age of 6 months, or feed whom? So it isn't written. A child himself can usually feed a dog by the age of 6 months. Maybe, then it would have been correct. But D is the best option here. Every experience in life makes, the correct sequence should be S, Q, R or P, or it can start with anything. Let's see now. Can it start with S? Every experience in life makes an impression, yes. Makes on some of the cells, no. Makes cannot start with P. Makes or other nerve centers cannot start with Q. Makes of the brain cannot start with R. Can only start with S. Makes an impression. It makes what? An impression. Makes is a verb, needs an object, and impression is the object. यहाँ पे सब ये conjunction आ रहा है, preposition आ रहा है, on some of the cells of the brain preposition आ रहा है. तो an impression एक object यहीं पे आया, an impression ऐसे इसलिए लगेगा. यहाँ पे makes verb है, verb के बाद ये makes transitive verb है, transitive verb के बाद we need an object. SPRQ उसको रख के देख लेते हैं, एक बार confirm भी कर लेंगे. Every experience in life makes an impression on some of the cells of the brain or other nerve centers. Absolutely correct. Alright, let's move on to the next one, 48th. You'll know how to do it. Let's say you'll know Q. S से शुरू हो सकता है क्या? You'll know help her. No. अब Q से ही होगा शुरू. You'll know, you'll have to. Sorry. You'll help her भी हो सकता है यार. Wait, let's see. SRPQ. You'll help her because she does not know how to do it. Have to. नहीं, have to बाद में नहीं आएगा ना. SRP सही है. Q पहले आना चाहिए. QSRP कहीं पे है. QSRP और QSPR है. ये दोनों देखते हैं. QPRS. Q के बाद P आ सकता है. Have to know how to do it. You'll have to know how to do it. नहीं. You'll have to help her because she does not. You'll have to help her. QS. Yes. You'll have to help her. SPR. QSPR. You'll have to help her. QSRP. QSRP is the correct one. You'll have to help her because she does not know how to do it. So QSRP, that is the only one that makes sense. All the others do not make any sense. Alright. 49th now. Would you? It can start with P or R. Let's see if it starts with R. Would you at the International House? Would you like to come? Like to come where now? Like to come on Saturday? Sure. Where? At the International House to a concert. On Saturday should come at the end. So by after S, like to come to a would you like to come to a concert on Saturday at the International House? Like to come to a concert at the International House on Saturday? Like to come to a concert? PSQR. Yes, to a concert, time, then place. Would you like to come to a concert on Saturday at the International House? PSQR. It is to be admitted, it is not necessary that it is to an engineering college. R से तो नहीं हो सकता. It is you qualify. S से भी नहीं हो सकता. S से नहीं हो सकता. R से है ही नहीं. Q से. It is not necessary that you qualify an entrance examination. It is not necessary that to an engineering college. QR नहीं हो सकता. QSPR. It is not necessary that you qualify an entrance examination to be admitted to an engineering college. It is not necessary that you qualify an entrance examination to be admitted to an engineering college. You can take admission in engineering colleges that give direct admission on the basis of your 12th marks and interview, etc. Money. It is not necessary for you to clear an entrance examination. QSPR. Alright, that's that. It has been a fun 40 lectures. I hope it has been as engaging and exciting and educational as it has been for me. I will come back soon with other series. There'll be an NDA question papers, previous year question paper series, a CDS previous year's question paper series. Then we're going to start another grammar, vocabulary and comprehension series separately. Then we might move on to our etymology and logic series as well. All in all in English. Everything that can be done with English would be done here with me, Anmol, at Ma Tutorial. I will see you in the next one.